Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back for another lesson. We're in Surah Ali Imran and we reached ayah number 29. We're going to start reading from right here. These are lessons for beginners, okay? And we're using a program on Quran on iOS called Quran Tafsir. Okay, we're here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قل قل إن تخفوا قل إن تخفوا ما في صدوركم ما في صدوركم أو تبدوه يعلمه الله يعلمه. This drops, goes straight to the lam. يعلمه الله ويعلم ما في, and then this joins في السماوات, long alif over the long fatha over the meme, في السماوات وما في الأرض والله على كل شيء قدير. I didn't comment much because previous lessons we go through these. Okay, so if there's a lot of comments for me to explain it slowly, I will. Like I skipped this, nun sakina followed by ta, that's ikhfa. We've covered that in multiple previous lessons. قُلْ إِن تُخْفُوا, okay, ما في صدوركم أو this is qalqala here, the ba. تُبْدُوهُ, this waw extends the dal. تُبْدُوهُ, and then يَعْلَمُهُ اللَّهُ, because the ha there, as I explained, وَيَعْلَمُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ. Here حروف شمسية, والله, this is read full mouth, والله على كل شيء قدير, tanween followed by qaf, this is also ikhfa, كل شيء قدير. Let's go to the next ayah, it's not too long inshallah. Ayah number now 30, okay, Surah Ali Imran. Let's continue from here, okay. يوم تجد كل, شد on the lam, كل نفس, sin, right? نفس, but because it's joining with a meme, this in becomes im. نفس ما عملت من خير محضرا وما عملت من سوء. Okay, so there's ikhfa here and here because tanween and nun sakin are followed by sin and ta. من سوء تود لو أن بينها وبينه, so بينها وبينه أمدا بعيدا. Why is this meme here? Okay, if you were to read amadan and continue, okay, to the ba, amadan ba'ida, okay, amadan ba'ida, like that, okay. So continuing, وَيُحَذِّرُكُمُ اللَّهُ نَفْسَهُ وَاللَّهُ رَؤُوفٌ بِالْعِبَادِ. Notice this would have been ra'ufun, but because there's a ba, just like here, You would read it as Ra'ufum bil ibad. Okay. We are going to stop there for now, inshallah, and continue next time. All right. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum.